Which of the following are no basic component of metes and bounds description? Baselines, principal meridians, and township. Metes bound distance and bound means compass directions or angles, expressed as degree, minutes, and seconds. A metes and bound description start at a designated place on the parcel called the point of beginning of POB. The property's boundaries are recorded by referring to linear measurement, natural and artificial landmark called monuments, and directions. The portion of counties used to identify properties in the counties located in the head-right area of the state are known as Georgia Militia District. The portion of counties used to identify properties in the counties located in the head-right areas of the state are known as Militia District. Now, what type of land description often include the word more or less? More or less. The metes and bounds system. Metes and bounds description often include the word more or less because the location of the monument is more important than the distance stated in the wording. An actual distance between monument takes precedence over any linear measurement of the description because monument can be moved. Surveyor in metes and bounds usually give the final reference in terms of bearing and distance and include the statement to the point of beginning of POB to ensure closure and to remove questions if an error in footage prevents closure. When a survey also shows the locations, size, and shape of building on the lot, it is referred to as spot survey. The surveyor prepared two documents, a survey and a survey sketch. The survey states the property's legal description. The survey sketch shows the location and dimension of the parcel. A spot survey also shows the location, size, and shape of buildings on the lot. In Georgia, which of the following makes a contract for the sale of real estate unenforceable? Property is identified by a street address. In Georgia, a contract for the sale of real estate or a lease must have a complete legal description. For this purpose, a street address is insufficient. If the legal description is not present, the contract cannot be enforced. While all of the following are used to describe real estate, Georgia does not use rectangular or governmental survey system. Georgia used the metes and bounds and lot and block method of describing property. All Georgia legal description must include land lots section, land lots of numbers, section, or Georgia Militia District, which is the GMDs. What is the oldest form of legal description used in Georgia? Is metes and bounds description. Metes and bounds description are the oldest type of legal description, relying on a property's physical feature to determine the boundaries and measurements of the parcel. In colonial times, a monument may have been a natural object, such as a stone, large tree, lake, or a stream. But today, monuments are iron pins or concrete posts placed by the U.S. Corps of Engineers, other governmental department, or a trained private surveyor. District and land lot were not introduced until the 18th. In the rectangular survey, fractional section along the northern or western border of a check that are less than a quarter section in area are known as government lot. Areas smaller than a full quarter section are numbered and designated as government lot by surveyor. This lot can be created by the curvature of the earth, by land bordering or surrounding large bodies of water, or by artificial state border. What term is used to describe the point from which elevation are measured? Datum. Datum is a point, line, or a surface from which elevation are measured or indicated. A surveyor uses a datum in determining the height of a structure or establishing the grade of a street. How many square feet are in an acre? 43,560. They are 43,560 square feet per acre. The standard unit of measuring land in the United States is the acre. An acre is equal to 43,560 square feet of area. An acre is also equal to 10 square chain